Greetings from Ahmedabad. My name is Arindam Banerjee and I am one of the co-coordinators of the executive education program named Strategic Market Focused Management. The program is one of its kind that provides participants with a comprehensive understanding of key marketing concepts that help in building customer orientation, provides the same through a globally acclaimed experiential learning tool named MarkStrat, helps participants appreciate the key market and internal information required to make rational marketing decisions, provides a setting for enhanced team-based decision-making abilities, and is completely fun-filled learning environment. We are certain that if you are a professional looking to transform your business, team or function towards being more customer-focused, this is the program to be part of. Look forward to meeting you in Dubai in late February next year.
Greetings everyone from IIM Ahmedabad. I am Professor Sourav Borah. I am the chairperson of the marketing area. Today I am going to talk about the executive education program named Strategic Market Focus Management, which we are going to offer in Dubai in late February. The program has multiple strategic business objectives such as market exit decision, such as decision about coordinating with different departments. Now, this particular program is useful for anyone and everyone who wants to make strategic decisions in their businesses. Now, you may come from a functional background, but this particular program will provide a general management focus. So, one of the advantages of doing this kind of this program is that I have seen over a period of time that people through experiential learning learn a lot about strategic decision making. So, this is a program based on experiential learning where we use tools such as MarkStrat, which is a globally acclaimed tool, and through MarkStrat you will be able to make a decision. So that means you are going to be a part of a simulated environment where you are going to make choices, strategic choices about your own organization. Along with that, we also have multiple case studies for you, which gives you real world focus about making different strategic decisions. So I hope this course will be able to add value to your career growth, and hope to see you in Dubai next February.
Greetings from IIM Ahmedabad. My name is Aditya Moses and I am one of the co-coordinators of the program called Strategic Market Focused Management. This program is going to be offered in February 2025 in Dubai. First, who should attend this program? This program is ideal for all management professionals, especially those who have been siloed in certain functions and want to grow their expertise and competence as a general management professional. This program is also for leaders who need to make strategic decisions on an everyday basis. Our pedagogy of simulations and case studies will help you build this strategic decision-making competence. More importantly, the entire program is focused on trying to make the organization more customer-oriented, which I believe will be helpful for all organizations across domains. We have offered this program across multiple domains, such as banking and finance, infrastructure, automobile, and also oil and natural gas. And we believe that those who have attended this program have benefited greatly from it. We look forward to meeting you in February in Dubai. All the best.